Let's have some fun with bubbles. So I've got some little pots with water in. I'm going to put some fairy liquid or washing up liquid in there. And then I just put a few drops. I've got Bay Breeze, Grape Crush and Party Dress of the Catherine Paula refill ink. So any water-based refill ink will do. And just give them a nice little stir, mix up that washing up liquid in there. And then blow, don't suck, please, because you're going to get in a mess if you do. So I just blow into the pots and then get all those bubbles coming up, which then hold onto the colour. It makes it all come out really pastel to the original colours you use. So use darker colours, not lighter colours. They just look really, really beautiful, and you can just create the most amazing backgrounds. Then I'm drying it off with my Wow Heat tool just to get it nice and flat. And then I'm going to die cut it. This time I'm just going to use a circle. So I've used the Sizzix Framelits circle, and I'm using my Altenew die mix set. I love these leaves. I'm keeping those just in the plain white. So I'm literally just going to stick the circle down to my card front. Make sure you go quite close to the edge and then you don't get it sort of lifting up. And then I do my little trick where I put the glue on my hand, and I just want to put the glue on the bottoms of the leaves. I don't want the whole thing stuck down, so it gives a bit of fluidity to it. And then just choose a sentiment, and there you go. Thanks ever so much for watching this quick and simple card.